Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use OBS window capture with VLC Media Player. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS application on your computer. Now, here's an important note before we move forward. Make sure your VLC Media Player is already open and running on your PC. This is crucial because OBS can only detect and capture windows that are currently active on your system. Once OBS is open, navigate to the Scenes panel and click the plus icon. In the dialog box that appears, type a name for your new scene. For example, you could type VLC and then click OK. This creates a dedicated scene where you'll set up your VLC capture. Now, in the bottom left corner of your screen, navigate to the Sources panel. Click the plus icon there to add a new source. From the menu that appears, select Window Capture. This option allows OBS to grab the content from a specific window on your computer rather than capturing your entire screen. After selecting it, click OK to proceed. Next, you'll see a Properties window appear. Look for the Window option at the top of this window. Click the drop-down menu right beside it. This menu will display all the active windows currently running on your system. From the list, select VLC Media Player. This tells OBS exactly which window you want to capture and display in your scene. Once you've selected VLC, click OK to confirm your choice. At this point, the VLC Media Player window should now appear in your OBS scene preview. If you need to resize the capture to fit your canvas better, simply drag the corners of the window capture source. This lets you adjust the size and positioning to match your stream or recording layout perfectly. And that's it. You've successfully set up window capture in OBS for VLC Media Player, allowing you to stream or record any video content you're playing directly from VLC. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.